switching abruptly.
Lilies and lilacs, the smell of smoke on your clothes, the lengths I go to see those pretty palms of yours.